Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can archive a space in your workspace on Wrike, so let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is click into your profile icon in the top left, while logged into your Wrike account of course, and in your settings navigate to account management and choose spaces. So here you'll see a list of all spaces within your account. So go to that list and then click into these three dots next to the given space and choose Archive. Confirm. You can also archive these spaces later, and remember that archived spaces will disappear from that list. It doesn't mean that it will get deleted or removed. It simply will not be shown in that list of active spaces, so you would need to unarchive it later. So let me go with this one here, and as you can see it has been grayed out. So what you want to do is click into these three dots and select unarchive to make it visible again. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.